Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I'm going to resolve you need the official WhatsApp to use this account error on Android. So, if you are facing the same issue, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix you need the official WhatsApp to use this account error with 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your WhatsApp app and device. Since the issue is occurring in app, the first thing you need to do is relaunching the WhatsApp app. So, give a fresh start to your app and see if that can fix the problem or not. Besides relaunching the app, you can also restart your Android device. This can help in fixing you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Solution 2. Update WhatsApp app. Sometimes an outdated version of WhatsApp app can cause different errors, including you need the official WhatsApp to use this account error. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the WhatsApp app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the WhatsApp app to check for the error. Solution 3. Disable Play Protect on Play Store. Play Protect is a built-in feature designed to protect your device from potential threats. There are times when it might mistakenly flag legitimate apps as harmful. Thus, if Play Protect has marked your WhatsApp as harmful, it can also lead to this error. To fix this issue, you can disable Play Protect feature. Open the Play Store app on your Android. Tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Tap on Play Protect option from the pop-up menu. If you see WhatsApp listed under harmful apps, it is confirmed that Play Protect is causing the error on WhatsApp. Tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Turn off the toggle button that says Scan Apps with Play Protect. This will disable Play Protect on your device. Now close and reopen WhatsApp. Hopefully, this should fix the error. Solution 4. Check for system software update. Getting the latest software version is always a good idea because new versions bring many new features and solve the bugs, such as you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. So, if a new software version is waiting to be downloaded, proceed with the download. Simply go to Settings, then find and tap on Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. Solution 5. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp app. It's possible that the WhatsApp app you are using contains some issues or bugs due to which you are facing you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app could work for you. To uninstall app, find the WhatsApp app on your device's home screen. Then, long press on it and tap on Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install WhatsApp app. Go to Google Play Store and type WhatsApp in search box. Click on Official WhatsApp app and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Solution 6. Use WhatsApp Business app. If you're having trouble logging into your regular WhatsApp account, consider using the WhatsApp Business app as an alternative. This workaround can help you bypass the error you're facing on your main WhatsApp app and get back to your messages. Solution 7. Use a different phone. When all else fails and you need the official WhatsApp to use this account error persists, try logging into your WhatsApp account from a different phone. So, this is all about fixing you need the official WhatsApp to use this account error on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.